The easiest way I have found to print multiple pages is from the page ladder. Go to display range and display a certain range. So the first page that we need is page 78. So I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to go 65 to 80 because I don't have the option. And I'm going to say that my action, print, and I'm going to say print all, but that is really only printing the range that I have displayed. So right now it's doing its work behind the scenes. So I'm going to pause while it's doing this. It'll come up finalized. And am I even recording? Yes, I'm still recording. I'm going to pause this. When it says finalized, I'll be right back. So now that it says finished, click on it. So it's showing me a print preview of those pages. Now in this particular grouping, we only need a few. So we want 14 through 16. So I'm going to come to print. I'm going to choose my printer. Under custom, I'm going to say 14 through 16. And under more settings, I'm going to make sure the scale is fit to printable area. And then I would hit print. Obviously, in this case, I'm going to hit cancel. So I'm going to demonstrate another one. So my display range would be 81 to 96. Say print all. It's going to generate. I will wait for it to save. It has generated. It says finished. I'm going to click on finished. So I can see these are pages that I want to print. Now, I guess technically we could skip 2 and 3. Guess that's probably the only one. Oh, we could skip 12 and 13. So your choice when you go to print, if you want to just do all, or if you want to say custom and skip some of those pages. I would probably just say all and be a paper waster. Not the best advice, but that's probably what I would do. Something looks funky right here. I don't know that I like that. Sorry, feel like this picture could be back on top maybe, but I don't know. Anyhow, segue of Mrs. Martin's life. Again, we're making sure that the scale is fit to printable area and then hit print. So should be good to go. If you do have any questions as you're trying to print, you can send me a text message. I may or may not be able to answer it depending on where I'm at in the midst of printing. So have a great day, and I will be in there as soon as possible when my presentation is over. Have a great morning.